So today is nesting day. I have got to get my kitchen clean. It's a hot mess in here, and I've been so tired and I've been having so many contractions. I haven't been able to get this done, but contractions or not, this kitchen has got to get clean. Like, I'm gonna show you guys. Like, hubby just got me this organizer. I'm so excited about this. So I cannot wait to use this. But other than that, like, look at my kitchen, you guys. It's a mess. So we're gonna do something about that right now. But the kitchen is almost ready. I'm going to show you guys when I'm done. And he also bought some sprinkles, donuts. Glaze are my favorite.